It's the finest road car I ever rode in or drove.
Dick Fuchs is referring to his black Ford Mustang, his 1971 Mustang. 8 cylinders, 175 horses. Fuchs, at age 81, has owned the car almost half his life.
The first 100,000 miles were the toughest.
The first 100,000?
100,000.
How many do you have on it now?
Oh, over 500, almost 600.
That's right. Although the odometer only displays 5 figures, Fuchs has driven his Mustang nearly 600,000 miles. What's the most fun part about driving this car?
The way it handles, the way it sounds, the way it looks.
And it looks pretty good for a 38-year-old car. To prevent rust, Fuchs never drives it in the winter or in the rain.
What's your secret?
Keep it clean. Outside, under the hood, underneath. The second is keep records.
And he certainly does.
And this is an original sales brochure.
In a binder inches thick. The sales receipt shows he paid $3,317, or $1 per pound of the car, brand new.
Put in 16.3 gallons at $6.81.
From day one, you've been writing this stuff down.
All right.
Every road trip and every trip to the gas station. Every oil change, every bit of maintenance on that car is written down in this book.
In here.
And Fuchs does all that maintenance himself.
Original engine.
Oh my God.
Original carburetor.
Though he did replace the battery 4 times and the front seats once.
Every ding and scratch is mine.
Being handy comes naturally to Fuchs. He built his first car when he was just 13, and he's made his living as an inventor with 7 patents.
You do an inch a second.
A battery-powered knife sharpener he calls Better Edges is his latest, but the Mustang is his baby. And do you let other people drive this car, or is that strictly off limits?
You just, no.
Where are the airbags in this car?
Airbags? I'm lucky I got seat belts.
He does have one complaint. He wouldn't mind power windows.
Would you ever sell this car?
Well, let's put it this way. Everything is going to go. Everything has a price.
This rolling classic has been appraised at $15,000.
So if someone walked in here right now with a check for $14,000, $15,000, it's yours?
Right now, I think I'd say no.
You'd say no right now?
Yeah, right now.
Why is that?
I enjoy driving it.